The future of automation isn't powered by machines, it's powered by collaboration.
This was the year cobots moved from being experiments to essentials. The year automation became more human, more adaptable, and more visible than ever before.
And ABB Robotics played a leading role in making it happen.
Across industries, ABB cobots proved a simple truth. When technology adapts to people, progress accelerates. From sustainable manufacturing to smarter palletizing, precision and productivity now move as one.
This year, ABB cobots also enter new segments like food service, a completely new market where they are already making big leaps. We have some fun along the way. Robots that pour drinks, flip burgers, and even serve ice cream. ABB Robotics showed that automation can be as creative as it's capable. In 2025, ABB's global vision came to life, locally.
Products designed, built, and launched for the market they serve.
Partnership continue to expand ABB Robotics ecosystem, connecting expertise across industries.
Together they are shaping a more complete, more connected world of automation.
But maybe the most inspired part of all is seeing collaboration in action.
Engineers, creators, and dreamers coming together to show what collaboration truly means.
2025 was the year ABB Robotics took collaboration to the next level. The year may be ending, but for ABB Robotics, the era of collaboration has just begun.